Welcome to the Skilled MBA Social Enterprises Case Study Series. In this episode, we explore Chime Solutions, a purpose-driven company transforming business process outsourcing through community-centered employment. Chime focuses on empowering underserved talent by creating meaningful jobs in marginalized communities. Their model goes beyond profit, emphasizing employee development, inclusive hiring, and local engagement. By rebuilding trust and investing in people, Chime not only enhances service delivery for its clients, but also uplifts entire neighborhoods, proving that social responsibility and business success can go hand in hand. Chime Solutions, led by Mark Wilson, reimagined the call center industry by integrating community empowerment into their business model. Their mission was to transform customer service into a tool for social impact, providing exceptional client value while uplifting underserved communities. This approach set a new standard for how businesses can drive positive change. The 10,000 by 2020 initiative aimed to hire 10,000 employees from underserved communities, addressing high unemployment rates. It focused on economic impact and skill development, creating pathways for workforce advancement. This initiative was driven by the belief that talent is universal, but opportunities are not, fostering growth in underrepresented populations. The people-first business model emphasizes comprehensive job training for entry-level workers, integrating financial literacy and personal development. It nurtures a supportive workplace culture that fosters belonging and growth. Additionally, it offers career advancement pathways and leadership development opportunities, ensuring employees are equipped for long-term success. Chime's people-first approach led to significant business success. Training costs decreased due to a 40% higher retention rate than the industry average. Engaged employees delivered superior customer service, achieving 92% client satisfaction. This strategy also bolstered community economic development and provided a competitive edge in service delivery, with an impressive 85% employee engagement rate. In early 2020, COVID-19 necessitated Chime's swift shift to remote operations, straining its core model. The abrupt transition reduced face-to-face interactions, eroding the supportive community culture. Additionally, new challenges emerged in training, monitoring, and maintaining service quality, testing Chime's resilience and adaptability in unprecedented ways. Chime faced a paradox during the pandemic. While remote work led to a surge in customer service demand, it also brought challenges. Business growth opportunities were unprecedented, yet attrition rates rose, straining the people-first model. Costs escalated from unused facilities, and replicating support systems in virtual settings proved difficult. Chime faced financial strain from rising debt and ongoing facility costs despite remote operations. Remote onboarding was less effective, complicating workforce development. Managing distributed teams demanded new skills and systems, while preserving company culture and community values became increasingly challenging. Chime's leadership faced a core dilemma: maintaining its mission of community empowerment amidst financial and operational challenges. The pandemic strained Chime's unique model of physical community and local economic development. Mark Wilson grappled with decisions to balance social impact with business sustainability during market disruptions. Adapting to change, Chime embraced a hybrid model, blending remote and in-person work to enhance flexibility. Virtual training initiatives ensured continuous skill development, while digital communities fostered engagement. Cost restructuring involved renegotiating facility agreements and optimizing expenses, crucial for maintaining operational efficiency amidst evolving challenges. A strong mission serves as a guiding anchor during turbulent times, necessitating flexible implementation. Adaptive leadership is crucial, balancing empathy with decisive action to manage competing priorities. Social enterprises must ensure business model resilience by designing for sustainability amidst evolving market conditions. Immediate crisis response involves stabilizing operations and addressing financial pressures while maintaining core services. Reimagining the model requires hybrid approaches to preserve mission impact amid new market realities. Rebuilding community focuses on fostering belonging across physical and virtual spaces. Sustainable scaling emphasizes resilient growth strategies, balancing mission and financial sustainability. Chime's journey underscores the need for social enterprises to enhance financial resilience against disruptions. Evolving impact measurement is vital to address shifting community needs. Digital transformation should prioritize equity and inclusion. Effective stakeholder communication is crucial, especially during crises, to maintain trust and transparency. A strong mission offers direction, but adaptability is crucial for implementation. Building financial and operational resilience ensures stability. Innovation is key to achieving impact amid changing conditions. Prioritizing community and human connections remains vital, even as delivery models evolve. Unlocking hidden talent demands vision, adaptability, and grit. Thank you for joining us at Skilled MBA. For more insights on purpose-driven leadership, subscribe to our case study series in social enterprise. Visit skilledmba.com or contact us at support@skilledmba.com.